What an amazing day!
Concrete day!
This is so cool!
Wow. We got one on the standby here. Have you been over there yet?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can go film. I've got this
And look
drone.
at
I want
this.
to kind of marry the drone footage with everything. It's so cool. It's going now. Look at that. I don't know exactly how many trucks there are, but each truck is a yard of concrete, or 10 yards of concrete. So 10 trucks would be 100 yards, and this will be 130 or 40 yards of concrete all in, something like that. Okay, so this film over here, see this truck over here? He's waiting to come in.
Yeah, He's waiting.
This truck here is rinsing out, getting ready to leave. And this truck here is just finishing his. It's like that comes down. See how that little concrete in that truck?
Yeah.
So these two are empty. This guy will leave, that guy will take his place.
How are they gonna cross each other on the road? They just go around on the grass?
I don't know what they're going to do. We'll see.
Yeah.
I think he probably needs to back up. This guy needs to back up and let that guy in.
Oh, okay.
Then he'll leave. Then this guy will go forward and rinse his truck out, and then he'll leave.
All
I think
right.
it's what's going to happen. Well, we'll see. See if my prediction is true. Because that road's not two concrete trucks thick.
Yeah.
They can't go around each other.
And this is a dumb question, but that culvert we had put in, that can obviously take the weight of this, right?
We'll see. Well, that guy's the heaviest. That Viking pumper truck's heavier than the concrete trucks.
Yeah.
And he went over it no problem.
Yeah. See, what are they going to do here?
Oh, come on, guys. You got to think this through.
They may just go around on the grass.
Really? Just going to drive around the grass, huh?
I think he is. Yeah.
Glad we got the strong grass.
I'm glad we don't care.
Oh, they went around each other. Okay, my prediction was not true.
Here comes some trucks, too. We got a traffic jam. Sure, they're all used to working together, right, these guys?
I talked to the boom operator, and he said they do a lot of concrete for Martinez and Sons.
Oh, they do?
A lot, yeah.
Oh.
He said they do a ton. So he said they're a really good crew, which
cool.
I will second that. They are a really good crew. Hey, again, another plug for Martinez and Sons Concrete in Tyler or surrounding areas. Get them. They're the bomb.
Uh-oh. Somebody's stuck, I think. I hear something. Yeah, this truck got stuck down here. Yeah, he sucked.
Yeah, it sure is. They're going to need to get something bigger to pull that truck out.
We're breaking in the new road. Oh, they're going to use the cement truck to do it.
Pull them out. That's great.
There we got it. Ooh.
There it is.